everyone, Jeff McDowell, the bald guy with another video tour in the 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan that's here. One of the nicest trades I've seen here in the last few months. Super clean, lots of options inside of it. Let's take a look here and so I can show you all of that. Here is the front end. You'll see it is nice and free of chips and debris. Clean front end, nice gray paint. Multi-spoke alloys up front. Look down the passenger side, you'll see you're free of dents and dings. Tinted windows have already been applied. Black interior. Fender Premium sound system. Seats are in excellent condition, almost no signs of wear. The car smells very fresh, still has a little bit of like kind of new car smell to it. Here's your back seats, power outlet for the rear, and then your ISOFIX for your boosters or child seats. There's your rear wheel. Some light scuffs right here. We should be able to probably buff those out, make those as minimal as possible. You'll see it is the 2.0 TSI with the 4Motion automatic. We have the carpet and all-weather mats. It looks like we actually have a little bit of storage stuff here for the back. Little pass-through area, and then the 60/40 split. Of course, there's your backup camera. Rear wheel. Clean on the driver's side. Power locks, windows, and mirrors, and it looks like you even have some heated mirrors there as well. Part power on the recline, and then you have manual control for the rest of the seats. 19,972 for miles. And then of course we have our Bluetooth access up top here, and then of course we can access more of our actual information system up front there. All of our infotainment system inside there. You do have your dual climate control plus your heated front seats, and then you can do it as an automatic as well. Of course, push button start, and then you even have your little sport mode, power brake, our cup holders, and then of course there's actually a little storage area, and then that's an additional adapter for connection. But look at the size of this panoramic sunroof. It's massive. Let's take a look here at the Carfax for you guys. You'll see here, no accidents, no damage, one owner. Hefty service history with the client. Here locally, you can see ultra low miles at just 6,200 miles a year. You'll see Larry H. Miller did all of the services on this. So not only do you have excellent condition vehicle, you have pedigree with dealer maintenance as well. For bang for the buck, this is definitely a really nice car. Also why I said this is probably one of the best ones that we have on the lot right now, just for what's been traded in recently. But I'd love to invite you in, take you for a spin in it, and let you see the car in person. We'll talk to you soon.